Hi, PrintFix ID here. If your Epson EcoTank printer is not printing black, the colors appear faded, or your pages are coming out blank, this video will guide you through 3 simple steps to resolve the issue. No special tools or technical expertise are required. Let's begin. First, turn off the printer and then load a few sheets of paper into the paper tray. Next, we will perform a manual test print to identify which color is causing the problem. Make sure the printer is completely turned off. Then, press and hold the stop button, and while holding it, press the power button. Hold both buttons for about 5 seconds, then release them at the same time. Do not worry if the indicator light starts blinking. The printer is working in the background. Wait until it prints the nozzle check sheet. Here it is. This is called a nozzle check pattern. As you can see, this section should display solid black lines, and for the color inks, all patterns should appear complete without any missing lines. Normally, a proper nozzle check will look like this, with continuous black lines on one side and clear printed text at the bottom. Now, let's begin with the first method. This is the most basic solution for ink-related issues on Epson printers, performing printhead cleaning 3 times. You can do this manually without a computer. Simply press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then release it. The printhead cleaning process will start. You will notice the power light blinking, and the printer will make some noise as the printhead moves left and right. This process takes about 3 minutes. Once the power light stops blinking, the first cleaning is complete. Wait about 10 seconds, then perform another nozzle check. After 10 seconds, turn off the printer again. Press and hold the stop and power buttons together for 5 seconds, then release them at the same time. If the first cleaning does not improve the print quality, repeat the cleaning process up to 3 times with about 1 minute between each cycle. If the issue still persists after the 3rd cleaning, you can proceed to the second method. The second method is called power cleaning or power ink flushing. Before starting this process, make sure each ink tank is filled to at least 3/4. This method requires a PC or laptop. Connect your printer using a USB cable or Wi-Fi, if available. Right-click the Windows Start button and select Settings. Then go to Devices and open Devices and Printers. Right-click your printer, select Printing Preferences, and then open the Maintenance tab. If you do not see the maintenance options, make sure you have installed the official printer driver, not just the default Windows driver. Click on Power Cleaning or Power Ink Flushing. Then click Next. Check the confirmation boxes and click Start to begin the process. The power cleaning process is now running. The power light will blink and the printer will make some noise. This process takes approximately 7 minutes. Once the power light stops blinking, the process is complete. Click Finish on your PC screen. Turn off the printer. Wait about 10 seconds and perform another nozzle check. After 10 seconds, repeat the nozzle check by pressing and holding the stop and power buttons for 5 seconds, then release them together. As you can see, the black ink is still not printing. Unfortunately, you cannot run power cleaning again immediately. You will need to wait about 12 hours before repeating it. However, do not worry, we can move on to the third method. First, turn off the printer and open the unit. The way to open it may vary depending on the model, but this method can still be applied. Lift the scanner unit and secure it so it does not fall. Next, unplug all cables connected to the printer. Now, move the printhead to the center. To do this, rotate the front gear counterclockwise several times to release the printhead lock. Then gently push the printhead to the right and move it to the center. Next, check the ink damper for the color that is not printing. Open the carriage cover if your model has one. Then remove the damper by pressing the lock. Prepare a 10 milliliter syringe or larger and trim both sides as shown. Attach the syringe to the bottom of the damper. Slowly pull the plunger to draw ink into the damper. Hold it until the ink flows into the syringe and the damper is fully filled. Once done, remove the syringe and reinstall the damper. Make sure it is securely locked, then close the carriage cover. Next, move the printhead fully to the right. Locate the maintenance box and find the waste ink tube. The location may vary depending on the model. Attach the syringe to the waste ink tube. Make sure the printhead is fully on the right side, then slowly pull the plunger and hold it until ink flows into the syringe. This process helps remove clogs, as the waste tube is connected to the printhead capping station. Once ink starts flowing, remove the syringe and place the waste tube back properly into the maintenance box. Then, move the printhead back to the center and clean any ink residue from the capping station. After cleaning, move the printhead back to the right side. Remove the scanner support and close the printer. Reconnect all cables. Turn on the printer and wait until the power light stops blinking. Turn off the printer again, then perform a final nozzle check to see the result. And here it is. The print is now perfect, and the black ink is working again. You can repeat this third method if needed to further improve the print quality. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Happy printing!